Good morning, students. Let us continue with shares and dividends, and I'll be doing from Serena Publishers. This is a continuation of the previous class. So here I told I will this can be done in different method also. That is, we got 3.125%. No, this can be done by in different method also. That I will be explaining now. So you have to remember this formula. Rate percentage already I told, dividend by market price into 100. So rate percentage is nothing but dividend. Basics dividend is equal to, here they give 5%, no, 5 by 100 into face value is nothing but 10 they give, right? 10 ones are 10, 10 are 5 ones are 5 2 are 10. So 5 by 100 into 10, face value is 10 they give, market price is 16 they give. Market price is 16 they give in this problem. So my dividend, calculate this, 10 ones are 10 10 are, 5 ones are 5 2 are. 1 by 2 is nothing but 0.5. So 0.5 per share, this is 0.5 by 16 into 100. Therefore 50 by 16, that is nothing but 3.125%, which is equal to the previously obtained solution. Next, sixth question. A man invests 7,700 in a company, paying 5% dividend when a nominal value means face value of 100 sells at a premium of 5. Again, in this problem, write all the given conditions, then I will be reading the questions for you. A man invest means total investment. A man invests 7,700 in a company, paying 5% dividend. Total investment is nothing but 7,700 in a company, paying 5% dividend. Dividend is equal to 5%. When a share of nominal value of rupees 100 sells at a premium of rupees 5. Premium, they use the word premium, and face value of each share is how much? 100. Sells at a premium of rupees 5. That means market value is nothing but 100 plus 5. Right? Because premium means market value is more than the face value, that is 105. Since premium, they use the word since premium. Next, find the number of shares bought. Number of shares. These are the given conditions. Now what we have to find? Number of shares we have to find, number of shares we have to find, annual income we have to find, percentage income. So simple question this is. Very, very simple. So how to do? First, you calculate dividend per share. Dividend per share is equal to 5 by 100 into face value is 100. This is rupees 5. Right? Market value is 105. So rate percentage income. So this is nothing but third bit I am doing. Percentage income is nothing but rate percentage is equal to dividend by market price into 100. Dividend per share, this is nothing but 5 by market price, 105 into 100. So this is first one. Simplify it, you will get the answer. Next one, number of shares bought. Number of shares is equal to, what is the number? How will you get number of shares? Total investment by market price. Total investment is 7,700 by market price is 105. Next, this also you simplify. Next one, number of shares also over second bit, annual income. Annual income is third one. sorry, second bit is, this is third one, this is first one. Second bit is annual income is nothing but annual dividend. Annual income is nothing but dividend. How to get dividend? Dividend, write the formula. I don't know. Dividend is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. So dividend percentage is nothing but dividend. Just write this formula. Put it as it is. Face value 100 into number of shares. 7,700 divided by 105 is nothing but 74. This value is 74. Next, here 74. Next, calculate this one. 7,700 divided by 104 is 74. 74 I am writing here. So this value is 5 into 74. This you multiply the answer. Here rate percentage you divide it. It is nothing but what is the answer? 500 by 105. 5 into 100 by 105, or else you can do simple calculations. 5 2s are 10, 5 1s are 100 by 21. So you do this, this and this. There ends the solution. I don't know. Just I will be explaining. Calculation part please try to do by yourself since you are in 10th class. Because each and everything writing on the board and doing simplification, it will take lot of time. So please do it by yourself. I have explained how to do it. So simple total investment, dividend given, face value given, market price, because premium means market value is more. So just I don't know rate percentage. I will be using this in the coming problems. So is asking third one, percentage income. Percentage income is nothing but dividend by market price on his investment. So this you have to use. Dividend by market price into 100. Dividend per share is 5. Market price is per share is 105. So therefore this is the solution. Number of shares, total investment by market price. Total investment is 7,700 by market price is 105 because he is using the word premium. So I applied it and I got the answer. Straightforward question this is. Next, 7th question. What is given? A man buys 50 shares of a company paying 12% dividend at a premium 10. Find the market value of 320 shares. Annual income is profit percentage. Same thing repeated. I think just slight difference. I think a man buys. Already I did calculations here. Calculation part already I did. So that's why I am writing directly. So I will be not explaining the calculations how to do it. Please try to do by yourself, because if I do write each and everything, then nothing is there to understand. Just you have to do by yourself calculations. A man buys rupees 50 shares company paying 12% dividend at a premium 10. A man buys how many shares? 50 shares, rupees 50 shares of a company paying 12% dividend, premium 10. Write down all the given conditions, then market price and that on. Dividend is equal to 12%. Next, face value is nothing but 50. Market price, they use the word premium, so market price is nothing but 50 plus 10 is 60. 50 plus 10 is equal to 50 plus 10 is equal to 60. Market price, market value is 60. Next, what else? Market value of each share, this is. So here, that's it, they gave only this. So what is asking? Market value of 320 shares. This is each share. Market value is each share. Market value of 320 shares is nothing but what you are doing this. So for one share market value is 60. For 320 shares how much? 320 into 60. Multiply it, you will get the answer. Next one. Annual income. How will you get annual income? Annual income. Number of shares into number of shares. Annual income. Percentage income. Annual income is nothing but dividend percent. Dividend is asking. Again apply that same basic formula. Dividend is equal to discount per dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. Dividend percent, what is given? 12 by 100 into face value 50 into number of shares. Number of shares is already given, 320. The market value, find the market value of 320 shares, and here 320 shares is already given. So here annual income of this number of shares 320. 50 ones are 50 twos are 2 ones are 2 6 are. So 6 twos are 12, 6 18 19 1920. So this is the annual income, and this is the number of 320 shares is this one. 320 into 60, just multiply it. What is the other word? Profit percentage. Profit percentage already I told you. Profit percentage to him. Profit percentage, how will you calculate now? Dividend is what? This dividend is for how many shares? 320 shares. So for one share is dividend is equal to 12 by 100 into, I am doing third one, profit percentage. Just I am doing like this. Dividend is equal to 12 by 100 into 50. Rupees 60 per share. Dividend is equal to rupees 6 per share. Per 320, I got this one. So this is per share, and market price is per share is almost 60. So that is profit percentage is equal to what? Or rate percentage is equal to dividend by market price into 100. What is dividend here? Dividend per share 6 by market price 60 into 100. 10%. I don't know, I will be using this everywhere. So just I am continuing with that. Answer is 10, and therefore there is a solution. Very simple, student, this one. Next one, 8th question. A man invests rupees 8,800 in buying shares of a company of face value. I will be writing all the given conditions. This problem is clear. Dividend, you calculate like this rate. Always I will be using this. I told rate percentage, dividend by market price into 100. Dividend per share is 6 by 60. Market price is 60 into 100. Therefore it is 10%. And annual income, already I told you have to remember this formula. Dividend by market price, dividend percentage is nothing but dividend is equal to dividend percentage of face value into number of shares. This is per one share, this is per 320 shares. So this is the answer, total annual, and they give premium 10 means you have to add. That's it. 8th question. Very, very important, 8th one. Totally different from what we were doing. Concentrate clearly. Concentrate more on this problem. 8th one, please make a note of it, please make a star of it. I will explain this in a simple method. See, there are number of methods, and you can do shares and dividends in one problem. You can do in 5 or 6 methods. So, but the solution you are achieving should be correct. What are the steps you are writing should be perfect. Number of methods are there to do this, but I am following the easiest method, just applying the formula, and just you have to remember it and plug it. There is the solution. Share dividends is nothing but simple application. What is given in the problem, what we must do, what are the given conditions, write down all that. Then orally you can say the orally, just by seeing the question orally you can answer the solution. Next question. A man invests 8,800. This well is very important. I told 8th question. Make a note of it. Star, you can keep star. A man invests 8,800 in buying shares of a company, face value rupees 100 each at a premium of 10%. Again he used the word premium, so you need to add it. If he earns 1,200 at the end of the year as dividend, find the number of shares he has in the company, dividend percentage per share. See, look at the words the author is using. Number of shares he has in the company. Number of shares he has in the company, not number of shares he has in the market. Number of shares he has in the company is using the word, and dividend percentage per share is nothing but the company what is giving. The company share, the company's dividend percent here. Please make a note of it. Once again I am repeating the question. A man invests rupees 8,800 in buying shares of company, face value, total investment. Total investment is what? 8,800. Next, face value, buying shares of a company of face value rupees 100 each. Face value given as rupees 100. Next, a man invests rupees in buying company, face value rupees 100 at a premium 10%. So market value is nothing but 100 plus 10. Since premium is equal to 10% given, 10%, that simple calculations you do by yourself, children. 10 by 100 into 100, that is nothing but 10. So that's why 100 plus 10 is 110. Market value is 110. Face value is 100, market value is 110. Next one. If he earns a dividend at the end, dividend given as 1,200. Dividend given as 1,200. Right. Now what we have to find? This is at the end of each year. Total. This is total. So from this, total investment given, market value given, number of shares. Easily method, easy solution. Number of, what I told? Number of shares. That is only the number of shares he has in the company. Simple, number of shares. Total investment. I need to write. You need to write the total investment by market price. Market value, sorry. Total investment is 8,800 by market value. Just now you can, because you use the word premium 10%. So answer is like this. 80. Number of shares is 80. Right? Number of shares is 80. Next one. He used the word if he earns 1,200 at the end of the year as dividend. 1,200 at the end of the year, that means total dividend. This total dividend I can write as total dividend. Very important, children. Please make a note of it. Total dividend is equal to number of shares into number of shares into each share dividend. Number of shares into each share dividend. So number of shares, how much? 80 into total dividend is nothing but 1200 is equal to each share dividend, dividend of each share. Right now, dividend of each share into number of shares is nothing but total dividend. So from this 1200 by 80 is equal to dividend per share. You write down dividend per share. Dividend per share. That is nothing but, you calculate this one. 8 1s are 8, 8 5s are 40. 15. Right? Now dividend per share is nothing but 15. Now what is he asking? Dividend percentage per share. Already I told the given first problem, the number of shares he has in the company. Number of shares is 80. So that means the company will give the profit, no? So company rate of here, the dividend percentage is nothing but the company is giving the dividend percentage, not what is he investing in the company. So what you have to write is rate percentage is equal to, or what is he asking? Dividend percentage here is equal to dividend by face value into 100. Very important. Why we have to use this face value instead of market price is, here the company is paying the dividend, not that what is investing in the company. So dividend is nothing but how much dividend? 15. This dividend is company is paying. Company is paying the dividend. 15 by face value. Face value is nothing but 100 into 100. That is nothing but 15 percentage. Very, very important. Once again, this 15 dividend of each share is nothing but 15. How this 15 means? The company is paying rupees 15 per share as dividend. Dividend is rupees 15. The company is paying. So here you should write face value, not market price. Why we should not write market price is the company is paying. Simple solution. So dividend is 15. The company is paying by face value 100 cancel 15. Very, very important. Already I told you have to tick mark it, which is very, very important. So thank you students. Have a nice day. We will continue in the next class. Please subscribe. In the left side of the corner there is a blue icon. Click on that. Please subscribe it and share this with your friends so that they will also gain from this what I have been teaching, shades and dividends. So many similar triangles I have done in the previous classes. Thank you students. Have a nice day. We'll meet you in the next class. Bye.